The subscribe includes its own error checker. This will give it a quick pre-flight test to help determine if there are any issues before you launch the form that could stop it running properly. It's advisable to always give an error check before you start using your form. So to do this, from the help menu, click on error check. This will just give a quick summary, and when we're ready, click on run scan. Okay, we can see it's run a scan, but we can see there's two issues it's identified here, the destination list and ask for email. So first off, it's saying we haven't got a destination list selected. When someone completes your subscribe form, we need to specify what mailing list they'll be added to. So let's click on fix. Okay, we can see here it's highlighted the section which we need to address. The subscribe to field still says select a list, so let's select a mailing list. Let's click on web visitors. So when someone completes our subscribe form, they'll now be added to the form called web visitors. Let's go back to the error checker and see if we've got any more problems on our form. Perfect, we can see we've got a green tick here, but we still got an error for asking for email. So let's click on fix. Okay, it's telling us what field should the email address be mapped to. So this section here is obviously asking for an email address. So let's mouse over it and click on edit. And we can see here we need to specify a column behind the scenes inside your mailing list where we should add this field. So we're asking for an email address. So from here, let's map it to the email field. Okay, let's click on save and close. Let's run our error checker one more time to see if we've got any more outstanding issues. Perfect, we can see we've got green ticks with everything and no errors found. So when we release our form, it should be perfect and work just as we want.